Hi, how much is the cable car ticket? The ticket is $25 for one person. Is that for a round trip? Yes, it includes going up and coming down. Do you have tickets for children? Yes, children pay $15. Is the ride very long? About 15 minutes each way. Is it safe during strong wind? Yes, we stop the ride if the wind is too strong. Can I take photos inside the cabin? Yes, photos are allowed. Is the view good from the top? Yes, you can see the whole valley. Do I need to book online? No, you can buy here. How often do the cabins leave? Every 5 minutes. Can I go alone in one cabin? Yes, if it's not busy. Do you have discounts for 2 people? Sorry, no discounts today. Is there a restaurant at the top? Yes, there's a cafe with snacks and drinks. What time does the cable car close? It closes at 7 p.m. Can I bring my backpack? Yes, small backpacks are fine. Is it crowded right now? Not too crowded, maybe a short wait. Okay, I want 1 ticket. Sure, here it is. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Enjoy the ride. Hi, good morning.
Morning. First day here, right?
Yes, it is. My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm Jason.
Nice to meet you too.
Welcome. Hope you feel comfortable today.
Thanks, I'm a bit nervous.
That's normal on the first day.
The office looks very nice.
Yeah, it's a good place to work.
Do people usually come early?
Some do, some don't.
I came early to be safe.
Smart idea.
Is the coffee machine easy to use?
Yes, just one button.
Great, I will try it later.
What team are you joining?
The design team.
Oh, they're funny and friendly.
Really? That makes me feel better.
They talk a lot during lunch.
That sounds fun.
You will fit in quickly.
I hope so.
Did you move here recently?
Yes, last week. Still learning the area.
If you need food places, ask me.
Thank you. I'd love that.
Do you have a meeting soon?
Yes, in 30 minutes.
Just listen today, no pressure.
Good advice.
After work, want a quick office tour?
That would be great.
Cool. Welcome again, Emily.
Thank you, Jason.
Oh, careful there.
Oh my gosh, thanks. I almost dropped everything.
No problem. Need help with these?
Yes, please. They're heavier than I thought.
Here, I'll take the top part.
Thank you so much.
Morning. By the way, I'm Mark.
I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sophie.
I didn't expect this many papers today.
Big meeting?
Yeah, the managers need all of this printed.
Wow, no wonder it's so heavy.
My hands are still shaking a little.
You carried a lot. Good job trying.
Thanks. I really tried not to drop them.
Where are we heading?
Meeting room 2, just down the hall.
Good, not too far.
Yeah, but it feels far with this stack.
I get it. Paper can be evil sometimes.
True.
How's your morning so far?
Busy, but okay. Yours?
Same. Running around since 9.
At least the hallway is quiet now.
That helps my brain a bit. Almost there.
Great. My arms will be happy.
All right, here's the room.
Perfect. Let's put them down.
Finally, I can breathe again.
Same here. Thanks again, Mark.
Anytime, Sophie.
This place smells really good today.
I'm glad we came here.
Yeah, I've been hungry since morning.
I needed this break.
Same here. My morning felt super long.
Busy again?
Yes, too many emails and small tasks.
They never end.
I know that feeling.
I had non-stop calls.
No wonder you look tired.
I didn't sleep well last night, so that made it worse.
Oh no, too much stress?
Maybe I kept thinking about work.
That happens to me too. Sometimes my brain won't stop. I just hope tonight is better.
Try warm tea before bed. It helps me relax a lot.
That actually sounds nice. I should try it.
How do you like this place so far?
I love it. It's quiet and the vibe is really calming.
The soup here is also great.
I haven't tried it yet. Is it good?
Yes, very light and tasty.
I'll order it next time then.
So, any weekend plans?
Not yet. I think I'll just rest at home.
Good plan. We both need rest after this week.
What about you?
I might visit my parents.
They always cook too much food.
That sounds amazing. I miss homemade food.
Yeah, I always eat too much when I'm there.
Same. Home food is dangerous.
Ready to go back to work later?
Not really, but we have to.
True. Let's enjoy this lunch before we face the afternoon.
Yes, slow lunches feel really good sometimes. Wow, this machine looks complicated. How do I use this?
Do you need help? That one confuses everyone at first.
Yes, please. I just want a simple coffee.
No problem. First, press this big silver button.
Oh, I see. And then?
Then choose Americano or Latte on the screen.
I think I'll pick Americano. I need strong coffee today.
Good choice. It wakes you up fast.
Does it always take this long?
Yeah, it's slow in the morning.
At least it smells good already.
True, the coffee here is pretty nice.
Do people come here often?
Yes, everyone stops by at least twice a day.
Twice. People here really love coffee.
You'll join the club soon, probably.
I'm already sleepy.
Here, your cup is ready. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you so much. I wouldn't survive without help.
Anytime. If you forget the buttons again, just call me.
I will. I need a guide for this machine.
Don't worry, in a week you'll be faster than me.
I hope so.
Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks, I will.
Morning, Mr. Carter. Do you have a moment?
Sure. Come in. What's up?
I need to take 2 days off.
2 days? Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm fine. It's family stuff.
Something serious?
Not serious, but important.
I understand. Which days you need?
Tomorrow and the next day.
All right. That should be fine.
Thanks. I finished most tasks.
Anything urgent left today?
Only one small update.
Can you finish it soon?
Yes, I'll do it after lunch.
Good. And the Friday project?
I already prepared the main parts.
Great. Can you send them later?
Yes, I'll send everything tonight.
Thank you for planning ahead.
I just don't want delays.
That's good. I appreciate that.
I really want things smooth. Of course, family comes first. Thanks for understanding.
No problem. Just email me later.
Okay, I'll write it today.
Good. How long will you be home? Just 2 days, maybe 3. If things change, tell me.
Yes, I'll update you.
Do you need help with tasks?
Maybe just someone to check emails.
I can ask Tom to help.
That would be great.
Don't worry, we'll cover everything. That makes me feel better. Will you travel far? Yeah, it's a long trip home.
Make sure you rest a little. I'll try. Thank you.
Take care of your family. I will. Thanks again, Mr. Carter.
Hey, sorry to bother you. I think I'm lost.
No problem. Which room are you looking for?
Meeting room B2. I've been walking in circles.
Oh, yeah, B2 is tricky.
Really? I thought it was near the elevators.
It used to be. They changed it last month.
Ah, great. That explains a lot.
Yeah, many people still can't find it.
I feel better then. I thought it was just me.
Don't worry, I can show you the way.
Thanks. I have a meeting in 5 minutes.
Don't panic, it's not too far.
I hope I'm not late again.
You're fine, we still have time.
Honestly, this floor is confusing.
Yeah, all the doors look the same.
I keep passing the same corner.
Happens to everyone on this floor.
How long have you worked here?
Almost 3 years.
I still get lost.
Seriously?
Okay, turn left here.
Then straight.
Yes, straight until you see the big plant.
The plant? That's a funny landmark.
I know, but it really helps people.
Oh, I see it now.
Great, B2 is right next to it.
Finally, I thought I'd never find it.
You made it.
Thank you, you saved my morning.
Anytime, just ask me again if you get lost.
I probably will. My sense of direction is terrible.
Same here, sometimes.
All right, good luck with your meeting.
Hi, need some help with the printer.
Oh, yes. Actually, I have no idea what to press.
No worries. This machine confuses everyone at first.
Really? I thought it was just me.
Not at all. Here, let me show you.
Thanks. I just need one document printed.
Okay, first choose the right tray. Here.
Which tray should I pick?
Tray 1 is fine for basic printing.
Got it. And now?
Select black and white on the screen.
Why not color?
Color is slower and uses more ink.
Makes sense. Then I press print.
Yep, the big green button.
Oh, it's printing already.
See? Not too hard.
Honestly, I was scared to touch anything.
Everyone is at first. Don't worry.
How about photocopying? I need that too.
Easy. Place your paper here, face down, like this.
Perfect.
Now press Start. Copy.
That's it?
Yep.
This machine looks scary, but it's simple.
I feel a lot better now.
Good. Anytime you need help, just ask.
I probably will forget tomorrow.
Then I'll show you again.
Thanks, Ryan. You really saved me.
Happy to help.
Hey, Emma, can I ask something?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm still learning the office rules.
Sure. What do you want to know?
First, can we eat at our desks?
Yes, small snacks are okay.
Big meals?
Better to eat in the pantry.
Got it. What about phone calls?
Short calls are fine at your desk.
Long calls?
Use the small call rooms.
Makes sense. And dress code?
Casual, but no pajamas.
Okay. What about music?
Use headphones. No speakers here.
Good rule. Nobody wants noise.
Exactly. And be careful with trash.
We separate paper and plastic.
Yes, bins are labeled.
Cool. Last thing, can we leave early?
Only with manager approval.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Don't worry, you'll learn fast.
Thanks, Emma. You made it clear.
Anytime, ask again if confused.
Morning, Olivia. Busy day ahead?
Morning, Max. Probably, yes.
The weather is crazy today.
Yeah, it was raining so hard.
I got completely wet outside.
Same here. My umbrella broke.
Oh no, that sounds awful.
Yeah, the wind was too strong.
I hope it gets sunny later.
The forecast said maybe afternoon.
That would be nice. I hate wet shoes.
Me too. They feel so uncomfortable.
Did you have trouble driving here?
Yeah, traffic was super slow.
I took the bus. It was packed.
Everyone rushed because of the rain.
True. Rain makes the city wild.
At least the elevator is warm.
Small comfort, but yes.
Do you like rainy weather?
Only when I'm at home.
Same. Rain is nice for movies or for sleeping.
Best combination ever.
Oh, our floor's coming.
Great. Let's survive the day.
Yeah, good luck today.
You too, Olivia.
Hi, Sarah. Do you have a minute?
Sure. How can I help?
I need some training for work tools.
Which ones?
Computer setup and the company drive.
Okay, let's start with the drive.
Great. I don't know where files go.
Click here. This is the main folder.
So all team files stay here.
Yes, and each project has a subfolder. Got it. How do I upload files? Just drag them in. Very simple. Nice. What about Word templates? Open Word, then choose Company Templates. Oh, that's helpful. I didn't see it. Many people miss that menu. And Excel. I'm not great at Excel. It's okay. What do you need? Just simple tables for reports. Click Insert Table. Start with small sizes. Okay, that looks easy enough. You can also use AutoSum. Oh, I've seen that button. Yes, it's useful for quick totals. Thank you, Sarah. This helps a lot. No problem. Ask me anytime. I will. I want to do well. You're learning fast. Don't worry. Thanks. I feel better already.